Rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, is a crippling autoimmune disorder that causes inflammation and pain in your joints. The remedies here are not a substitute for medical treatment. Please consult with your doctor if you're experiencing symptoms. 1. Fish oil. There have been studies published in the Journal of Rheumatology that forecast that fish oils may completely replace drug treatment for some rheumatoid arthritis patients. 2. Ice pack. All you need is to wrap some ice cubes in a piece of cloth and apply over the affected areas for about 15 minutes. This helps in bringing down the pain and swelling. 3. Olive oil. The oil contains the inflammatory enzymes COX-1 and COX-2, which help lubricate your joints and provide you with instant pain relief. You can either rub a bit of the olive oil on the affected joints or consume 2 to 3 teaspoons of it. 4. Ginger. Ginger has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen and COX-2 inhibitors without the negative side effects. 5. Cinnamon. Mix a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder with a tablespoon of honey into a cup of warm water or add the combination to your tea. A honey-cinnamon paste can be made and massaged gently over the painful areas. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.